My name is Vincent Lee. I'm the General Manager for Green Scope Steel Industries in Ras Al Khaimah in the United Arab Emirates, and we've been operating now for around about 11 years. ZWCAD has a really good interface. It's very user-friendly, very similar to a competitor, which makes life a lot easier and reduce the overhead significantly. So altogether, on top with that, we could make it online, so we could get the licenses pulled off the server, so that all of our guys, I didn't need 20 licenses, I could manage with 6 or 10 and share the licenses throughout. So fantastic. So we use a lot of softwares in here, like MBS, Stab Pro, Connect Edition, Tekla. So ZWCAD helps us to do all of the drawings, all of the documents to support that. It gives us a really good tool to do like AutoCAD or DWG drawings. That's it really. It's just it's a good tool to use, you know, and it's really cost effective. We examined a lot of your competitors in the market, and not only on price, your tools, your package came out well above the rest, and we got really good support when we were choosing by ZWCAD itself, the ZW team. They were phenomenal, excellent.
ZWCAD, it's been more than a year now, and previously we were working in AutoCAD from Autodesk, but now we have upgraded to ZWCAD, and we have found it really helpful, and it's almost same like our previous software that we were working, ZWCAD. So now we are using it for preparation of all our approval drawings, proposal drawings, and doing the detailing also. And we found all the commands really helpful, and at the same time the user interface is very simple and easy to use. We have got all the shortcuts available here, and it's really helping a lot in our day-to-day working progress. No, we found that all the file sizes are very less. It is not consuming a lot of space, and when we are sending the file, saving it and sending it, very convenient and comfortable to send it through our mail. So we found it really helpful actually.